Welcome back to the shop. Hey, it's an exciting time of year for me. If you're into chainsaws and firewood season, it's right around the corner. Summer's ending, fall's almost here, and I got to start getting my chainsaws in tip-top shape, get out there and do what I need to do. So today I'm going to fire up the Homelite XL. It's a super, and just see how she is in the wood. I think I got a little bit more tuning to do on the carb, but I'll know better, like I said, once I get it in the wood. So I'll start her up, get her idling, and we'll get at it. All right, I thought I'd bring you in a little bit closer and just show you the XL Super. If you guys have never run one of these, you're missing out. It's probably one of my favorite runners. I've said that in other videos, but they made a ton of these XL12s and they sold them for a long period of time. And there's a reason for that. They're one of the most robust saws out there, I'm telling you. I can pick these things up and they'll sit for years. And I just tweak a few things on the carb, change the gas in them, and clean out the air filter, and typically they'll pop right off. I've got 5 of these things. And like I said, there's a reason. They just are solid firewood saws. I mean, I wouldn't say they're gonna blow you away, but they're gonna surprise you. For 58 cc's, which is what this is, and the 54 for the standard XL, they just pull. They pull. If you get a sharp chain, they pull. They don't stop. So if you get a chance to pick up one of these old Homelite XLs, whether it's just the standard XL12 or the Super, pick one up. Like I said, you won't be unhappy that you did. So, and there's a lot of videos out there that talk about this, but the way you tell a Super typically is the oilers up here. On all the other oilers, or all the other XLs, the oiler's down here. So if it's a standard XL, your oiler will be down here, or your oil fill will be down here. And then on the Supers, somebody's getting a ticket, but on the Supers, the oil fill will be up here on top. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Just a quick one to kind of highlight the XL and see for me if the chainsaw's in tip-top shape, and it appears to be. So hope you have a good one, and I will catch you on the next video.